So it's all together is mirror. So let's go. Okay, if I do it like this, okay, full. So in this video guys, I show you how to mirror your from iPhone to your MacBook. So I show you guys, it's a really easy steps to mirror. So first thing, I have my MacBook Pro here and my iPhone. Any kind of phone you have, as long you have the mirror settings in your phone, any phone you have. So I have here, so I will show you in the back camera, okay? So I have here my iPhone 17 Pro Max and my MacBook Pros, but you can use any kind of iPhone you have as long as there is a mirror setting. So I need to open my MacBook. So first thing I need is go to your settings here, just scroll here, and then click the mirror settings, this one, click this one, and then after that, so it says here, this my MacBook is showing here, so click that one. So making sure you connected this same connection, because we connected the same Wi-Fi from her, so it's here it's mirroring. Okay, you can see, can you see it properly guys? So yes, it's here. Yeah, you can see my like that. Oh, it's mirroring in my phone like that. Sweep down, sweep up, yeah, like that, like that. Yeah, everything is here, everything is mirroring in my MacBook. Yeah, like that. You can see everything from here to your, if you want to say for example in the YouTube, going to the YouTube, like that, you can see everything in here. Sorry, so like that, or you can see everything like that. See, it's mirroring. And if you want to, for example, if you want to see any kind of, like for example, make it sure it's here, you put like
2 years ago.
like that. See, it's automatic in the landscape mode. It's automatic in the landscape mode. If you do it like that, yes, it's automatic. So if you want to play the video, yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, it says there. So it's all together is mirror. So let's go to calendar. Look at the calendar. So it's mirroring. And look at, you can see here everything. How about the camera? Let's go to the camera front. So I am here guys. So look at, this is my in my phone, and here in my MacBook camera. If I do it like this, okay, so make sure, okay, making sure it's full. This one, you can click this one, full. No, here, full. Okay, like that. You cannot click in here, just only here. This is the control. So like this. Hi. So see, can you see guys? It's mirroring in my phone. How about the video? So this one. Okay, if I do it like this, okay, full. Okay na. Well, it's mirroring. So that's so easy guys. You don't need to download an app, so just click on the mirror in your phone. So that's it, it's ready. Wow. And if it's recording, still it's recording here, but you cannot click this one because it's only mirroring from here, but you can only pause here, then continue. Wow. Then save. It's already saved. Wait, I will do it again. Hi, welcome to my channel, Lilith Long. Today I'm doing the mirroring from my iPhone to my MacBook. So let's click to save. So let's see, let's just see. Welcome to my channel. It's showing there. Today I'm doing the mirroring from my iPhone to my MacBook. So let's click to save. Hi, welcome to my channel. So I will close here. It's here. Long. So this one, this is the control. You cannot control in here, but you can control in here. Today I'm doing the mirroring from. Yeah. Wow, I can't believe. So see, is everything is here. Yeah, so I'm doing everything. Clock, weather, just check the weather like that, and then weather. Yeah, check everything, the weather. So yeah, it's already mirroring the, it's more easy guys, so just do it like this, like that. Yeah, and then there's that one. You can see everything here in your phone, all the photos in here. You can see everything, all the information, the private information. You can see clock, so you can see all the clock here, world clock, alarm, you can see the alarm, world clock, you can see all the world clock. So yeah, so it's here. Yeah, wow, I can't believe this. Like, you don't need to do anything guys. If you're going to your account, everything. I don't have a games in my phone. Look at, I don't have loads of apps in my phone, so only the games, only these games. So look at the games. So I've never played that game. Yeah, only that games. So the DJI like that. Yeah, then yeah, it's still mirroring. It's all together, all the information here in your phone, from your phone, and tell you. How about the, let's see the iPhone 13 guys. So if you want to stop the mirroring, just click this one, click the mirror sign, then stop mirroring. So that's it, it's stopped now. So yeah, it's stopped. Then that's it. So now let's see the iPhone 13 Pro Max if it's still mirroring. So this is one in here. So yes, there's a mirror. Where's the mirroring? Yeah, in here. So let's do it. Yeah, it's still there. So yeah, you can still use the for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So yeah, it's mirroring. Yeah, it's the same guys. So camera. So let's do the camera like that. Video. So hi guys, I'm using the iPhone 13 Pro Max for the mirroring from iPhone 13 Pro Max to MacBook Pro. So stop. So let's see here. Okay, so listen. The iPhone 13 Pro Max for the mirror. So hi guys, I'm using the iPhone 13 Pro Max for the mirror. Okay, it stopped. Yeah, it's the same. All the information in here, you can see clock like that. Yeah, oh yeah, so it's the same guys. So yeah, it's easy. You don't need to upload any apps, so just click in here the mirror, making sure it's connected the same Wi-Fi connection from your here from your phone to your MacBook is the same Wi-Fi connection. So yes, how about the, let's go to the YouTube. Okay, let's go. Yeah, like that. Okay, yeah, it's still mirroring guys. Like wow, you can see it's so easy. Okay. It's still in the voice is still there. So yeah, it's really nice phone. Nice. How about a calculator? Calculate 8 times 5. Oh, showing there. So that's it guys, more easier. So that's it, my video. Stop mirroring. This one, click the one, stop mirroring. That's it. Finish. So it's really helpful guys. So this ones you can, I use the two phone for mine, so that's why. Or maybe you cannot, this one just one only, two can mirroring each other. But I think for this one, I think also you can mirror also from this phone to this. So let's try another video next time soon guys, so you can mirror everything here. I think for this one, from your MacBook to your phone, there's a settings here for mirroring. So guys, it's more easier. You don't need to download any apps. Just do the click the mirror in your phone, then make sure it's connected to your the same network connection from your phone to the same network connection in your MacBook Pro, so it's more easier. So yes, it's more easier, the phone mirroring to your laptop or any kind of phone, as long as there's a mirror setting. So that's it, my video for today, guys. I hope you click like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.